Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apple has set the bar high with each new iPhone, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max is no exception. Whether it's a groundbreaking leap or just a premium upgrade, we're here to break down all the details, rumors, and leaks about Apple's latest flagship. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's explore the iPhone 16 Pro Max in depth. According to the latest rumors, the unveiling event is set for September 10th, with pre orders starting on September 13th and the official release on September 20th. Apple fans, mark your calendars. Now let's talk about the price. If you're thinking of upgrading, be prepared for a significant investment. The starting price for the base model with 256 gigabytes of storage is expected to be around $1,999. Rumors suggest that Apple will increase the screen size to 6.86 inches, up from the previous 6.7 inches. This will be achieved by reducing bezel size, resulting in an almost edge-to-edge screen. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to retain the 48 megapixel main camera and the 5x optical zoom telephoto lens. However, the ultra-wide camera might see a substantial upgrade, possibly jumping from 12 megapixels to 48 megapixels. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to be powered by the A18 chip, built on a 3nm process. This promises significant improvements in speed and efficiency. Whether you're editing videos or gaming, battery life is always a hot topic. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to include a larger 4,677 mAh battery, the biggest ever in an iPhone. iOS 18 is set to bring major updates, particularly in AI integration. iOS 18 will also introduce AI-powered enhancements to various apps, such as a photo cleaning tool, generative AI for creating images, and AI-assisted writing in messaging apps. In summary, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is shaping up to be a remarkable device with a larger display, upgraded cameras, and impressive AI features. While the price may be steep, the innovations could make it worth every penny. As always, Apple is known for its surprises, so keep an eye out for any unexpected announcements as September approaches. What do you think about the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Are you excited for its release, or are you planning to wait? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews, rumors, and breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.